Hey guys, welcome back to East Coast Angels. So today's video is going to be me recreating my middle school everyday makeup routine. I'm kind of basing this off of like middle school slash high school. I've been wanting to do this challenge for like the longest time, which this week is recreation week, so I kind of made it like a recreation video, but it really is kind of like a challenge that goes around YouTube. But anyways, I thought I would do it. So I wanted to start off this video showing you guys my normal everyday makeup. This is what I normally do. My eyebrows look a little whack today, but if I am, you know, trying to look presentable, this is what I would wear. So I wanted to show you guys what I normally would look like to do kind of like a side-by-side comparison. I really wanted this video to be like where I actually went out and bought these makeup products that I used to use in middle school and high school, like the beginning of high school, but I'm just not really in the budget for that right now. So I tried to get most of these products as close as I could to what I used in middle school slash the beginning of high school. So we'll just see how this video goes. I'm gonna finish taking off the rest of my makeup and I will be right back.
Oh baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. So why don't you just meet me in the middle?
Yeah, let's just go ahead and jump right in. So I had no moisturizer, no primer or anything. My eyes are super red because I just rubbed the crap out of them, so just ignore that. Okay, so I went straight in with this foundation. This is the CoverGirl Plus Olay Simply Ageless 3-in-1 foundation. That is the foundation that I used. I didn't really have an allowance or anything, so a lot of the makeup that I used was my mom's, and a lot of the stuff that I have sitting here in front of me are like the same brushes that I used in middle school. This brush I used in middle school, like that is insane. But anyways, so I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right in. This would be the foundation that I would be going in with right now, but I don't have it, so I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I figured I would use this one just because this was probably like the second foundation that I ever like found, I guess. So this is gonna be the one that I'm using today. And then for a short period of time in my middle school years, I remember using my fingers to rub that foundation in because it was really like gel-like. But then I also remember using one of these brushes. This is just from e.l.f. and it's one of those like flat foundation brushes. I remember using one of these, but I hated using it, so we'll see how this goes. And this foundation is also way too dark for me. And I'm just gonna like paint it on. But yeah, I specifically remember rubbing that foundation into my skin with my fingers. And I remember like going into my mom's bathroom, because my mom was a teacher, and so she always took me to school because she worked at the same school that I did, or that I went to. So me and her were always getting ready at the same time, and it was always so hard sharing a bathroom with her and trying to get ready with her, because I would always be stealing her makeup and she'd get so mad at me. This foundation is just way too watery. Like, I could not rub it in with my fingers. There's no way. And I had really bad acne when I was in middle school too, so the simple fact that I'm breaking out today is just like throwing me back to those middle school days where I literally had no coverage at all. Oh, I just poured way too much. Alright, I'm gonna add just a little bit more to my forehead because I am breaking out a little bit. Alright, so next I would go straight in with powder. Concealer did not exist with me. So I would go in with this CoverGirl Clean Normal Skin Pressed Powder. And I would probably use it in like the lightest shade that it came in. That would be the powder that I would be going in with. I specifically remember the scent of this powder. Like, I am getting flashbacks of that powder. When I saw it, because I looked up CoverGirl powder, because I knew I used a CoverGirl powder. I looked it up and I saw it and I literally smelled it once I saw that picture. These compacts break so easy. I would literally like barely even drop it and they would break. So I'm just gonna go in with the Maybelline Master Fix Setting and Perfecting Loose Powder. And I'm gonna go in with the same powder brush that I used to use all the time when I was younger. And I'm just gonna set. I'm trying to do this as rough as I can because I remember whenever I was in middle school, I would do it so rough. I would just like, and I would do it fast because I was sharing the bathroom with my mom, and we would be arguing over who has the makeup. Alright, so next thing I would do would probably be to brush out my brows. I didn't do them, I just brushed them out because they would always look crazy in the mornings. And I just want to go ahead and show you guys a picture of my eyebrows. Look! I'll zoom in, I'll zoom in. There's a filter over them, but like, where's the end? Compare. Where's the end of my eyebrow? That was my sophomore year, you guys. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with blush. I don't remember what kind of blush I used, but I always remember that I put on blush. Oh, actually I do. It was a really bright pink blush, and it was like super bright. I'll use this one. It was like brighter than this, and it was the blush that we used whenever I cheered at Revolution Cheer my freshman year. I used that blush every single day, and it was so freaking bright and pink. So I'm gonna go in with this one. This is from the e.l.f. blush palette, and I'll just use this one since it's super bright. Whoa! I've never used that blush and it like got everywhere, dude. Anyways, alright. And that's probably about as bright as I put it on, and then I just blend it out really quick. Okay, that might be a little bit extreme, but I did put it on really bright, so that's how I'm gonna keep it. Okay, and then next thing I would do is I would go in with this Milani Bella White Bella Eyes Gel Powder Eyeshadow, and I got this because of Kathleen Light specifically, and it's just like a little like cushiony feeling, really smooth feeling white eyeshadow, and I would go in this specific exact brush. This is a Stella No. 12 brush, and I remember sitting in front of my, oh my gosh, I'm getting so many flashbacks. I remember sitting in front of my mirror, and I remember specifically saying to myself, and today I'm using the Stella No. 12 brush. And then I would go in with it. I specifically remember doing that. Alright, so next thing I'm going to do is go in with some eyeliner, and I hate eyeliner, but I always wore it in more like freshman and sophomore year of high school. I remember specifically going in with this, what is it? This is the LA Colors eyeliner slash brow pencil, and it is the brown one. I remember specifically going in with this one. So that's what we're gonna do today. And my mom still uses this eyeliner pencil, which is why I have it today, because she still uses it. And I kid you not, this is how I put it on. Well, let's try to. I remember. I'm gonna try to adjust you guys. I remember always like pulling my eye like this and then doing it. And that's exactly what I do. I just rub back and forth. And notice how I wouldn't go to the edge. That's exactly what I would do. I would not go all the way to the edge of my eye. I would just stop like towards what I thought would be the end of my eye. Oh, this is awful. No! I look just like I did my sophomore year. That's exactly what I would do. Sometimes it would be a black pencil, but most of the time it would be brown. And I would never go to the very edge of my eye or to the very inner corner of my eye. Wow! This is freaking creepy. Okay. let's go in with mascara. Alright, so I would always use the Maybelline Great Lash mascara, this one, the little pink one, but it had the black top and it didn't have the green top. They just recently came out with the green top ones, and my mom still uses the same mascara, so I'm gonna use it. And I didn't really like know what I was doing, so I just kind of like, you know, so yeah, I would just kind of brush them up really quick. And it's actually really realistic that I got some mascara up there, because I literally used to always do that and I would never get it off. Fun fact. Also, like nowadays, I won't really do my bottom mascara just because I kind of like the way it looks with just your top mascara done, because your eyes look really like open and awake and stuff. But I have some pretty rockin' lower eyelashes. Wow. Whoa! Oh my gosh. First of all, I look like a raccoon. And my cheeks are so red. But if I remember correctly, that's what I used to do. Alright, let's let our hair down. And now for the final touch, I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl lip gloss, I guess. And it is in the shade Colorlicious. I remember specifically using this my freshman year, because one of my friends used to wear lip gloss all the time. Oh my gosh, it tastes disgusting. And that is the same lip gloss that I wore my freshman year. Like, I literally kept it. I feel like I look really bad on camera. Like, when I'm looking in the mirror, I'm kind of like, okay, this isn't that bad, but on camera, I look disgusting. Alright guys, so this is how I did my makeup in middle school / freshman and sophomore years of high school. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it funny. I will put some side-by-side comparison pictures right here so you guys can see, especially the ones with the eyeliner. Wow. I feel like this is why I don't wear eyeliner, because it would just remind me way too much of my middle school days. Alright guys, if you did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a like, and then also subscribe to our channel. The Angels love you guys so much, and we hope to see you guys in all of our next videos in this coming up week. This next week will be free week, so yeah, and free week is normally whenever our videos get really interesting, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell notification button. That way you can get notifications every single time we post, and I will see you guys next Saturday. Bye!
Oh baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing